Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me today. Let me thank all of my subscribers, all the people who stop by and watch my videos all the time. I'm going to give a shout out to Stace. And if you haven't seen her channel, you got to check her out. She always has the best comments. And also Gail Banks Creates. They always have the best comments. And so I'm going to put a link to their channel below. Those ladies are special, and I always enjoy when they come over to my channel with some comments. Today, I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. It's a small haul, but I like the things that I found. So, let me show you what I got. So, they put out some more of these decals. And I like to use them in my journal making. So everybody's into bows. Of course, Dollar Tree gonna have some bows. So these are the new decals that they have of the bows. I think they have another one. Did I get both of them? I think, yeah. So you have two of the decals for a bow. And I'm thinking when I make a journal, I can put this on the cover, I can put it on a page, or you can even put it on a card with a sentiment across it or something like that. So when you go, check out these decals because I love these things. So I got those. Then they had this is my favorite ones. So these are like cherry blossoms or something similar to that. But look at that. Is that not beautiful? So I got two of those. And if you recall, I used to have the birds, but the birds were big, much bigger than this. But the birds are small now, so I thought I'd pick up the birds and figure out what to do with them. And then, my most favorite is, because you can't do anything without, I can't do a lot of things without throwing a butterfly on it. So I saw these butterflies and I'm like, okay, here we go. Gotta pick those up. Aren't they beautiful? Especially the blue ones, and they got a little foil in them. If you can notice the foil here, it's probably making the screen look a little different. So foil. And then this one. So I like this one. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. If I'm gonna put it behind the, like use it with the cherry blossoms as a fence or something. I'll figure it out, but I know it's gonna go in something I got. Then I got these. Dollar Tree has resin. I have a little project that I wanna make, but I don't wanna open. I have a big thing of resin, like the big one, but I'm not gonna use that much. It's just a small little thing that I wanna do. So Dollar Tree has their resin, so I'm gonna mix this up and see how it goes for my project. So I ended up, just in case, I ended up getting, I thought I had another bee. No? Oh, there it is. So I got those. So if you see the resin and you just got a small project, pick that up, they'll be perfect. I'll let you know how they work because you'll see them in the project that I'm working on. I'll put these over here. Then, of course, I wanted to try something out. On the paper tape, I wanted to see that if I stamped on it and colored on it, how would it look? So I just want to experiment. I'm about to make a masterboard, and I want to play with this on the masterboard. So I'll let you know how that turns out. I saw this clear scratch cord, and you can always use scratch cord. So I said I'll get that because I hadn't seen that before. So I picked that up. And the last thing I got, of course, is a pencil, a scented pencil. So I picked that up because if you gotta have something to write with, might as well be scented. And the last thing I'm going to show is my daughter was at an Ollie's, and she picked this up in Recollections. It's their mini hand tool kit. So she picked this up for me, and I'm like, oh, okay, wow. If I remember, Recollections have been rebranding their stuff and put it in the store. So I was so surprised to see this in Ollie's already, because they're rebranding, and I guess I got to go check over at my Michael's to see what they're doing. Did they get rid of this stuff and all of a sudden get some more stuff? Because this was one of the new things they brought out. And there it was in the Ollie's, and she picked it up for me for $2.99. It says its regular price was $29.99. So she picked it up for me. It has in it, let me tell you what it has. It has mini scissors, tweezers, a brad setter with a safety cap, a craft knife, a mini ruler, and a mat. So that could be good. I'm gonna open this up and put all the stuff on my desk so I'll be able to use it when I get it. So that's my small haul of Dollar Tree and Ollie's thing. So thanks for joining me today. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye now.